Hi, welcome to another week of jewelry making. This week we're going to be making these peace sign earrings. I have all my findings here. We're going to be using 2 head pins, 50 millimeter. We have 2 earring backs, 2 jump rings. These are 5 millimeter jump rings, and 2 earring hooks with the ball and coil. We also have our 2 peace signs. And let's get started. First, we're going to take one of our head pins and we're going to insert our bead. And then we're going to cut with our multi-tool. We're going to cut maybe leaving about probably like a centimeter. Cut there. And then we're going to roll. But first, we're going to push this down just enough so I can roll a little. And then we're going to make our circle. There, like that, and just go all the way around. There we go. Okay, we're going to get a jump ring and open our jump ring. And we're going to insert our earring hook right into the jump ring. And then we're going to take our earring that we just made and put that into the jump ring. And then we're going to close the jump ring. And there's your earring. And then we're going to do the same thing with the other one. I'm going to put it right inside. Make sure that your legs are going down. And again, we're going to cut, leaving about a centimeter. And then we're going to bend down like that. And then curl up in a circle. And again, get our jump ring, 5 millimeter jump ring. And we're going to open that right up. And you don't need to open a lot, just a little to get the hook in. And the earring. And then you close right back up there. And there you go. These are your beautiful peace sign dangling earrings. I will leave a link at the bottom. I have all the colors here. We have blue, red, we have the turquoise blue, yellow, purple, pink, white, and orange, plus the green that I just made. If you like this tutorial, please leave a like. And if you're new, subscribe. Thank you.